Prevention of air pollution. My greetings to everybody present over here and thanks for giving your precious time. Today I would like to deliver a speech on air pollution which has become a major challenge in recent times. In a spite of monologic, I would like to be a fruitful instruction, hence your views are welcome. Air pollution means mixing of external hazardous gases and particulate matter in the air which ultimately rotate inside our body through inhalation. These gradually lead through disorders and hence affect the health of human beings. Nowadays, air pollution has become one of the most concerned issues for our planet and mankind. It takes place when pollutants contaminate our environment. In other words, pollution is responsible for distributing the balance of ecosystem. Moreover, it impacts our lifestyle, survival, and also contributes greatly to the global warming. As the world is getting more modern, pollution is also enhancing day by day. It's like we are the poisoners for our own creation. Further, it has become a rather essential to learn about the causes, types, and impact of pollution to deal with these problems. Air pollution means is now one of the major environmental issues. Air pollution has a great effect on the health of people. There are many respiratory diseases due to air pollution. People have trouble to breathe. Even the main reason of cancer is also air pollution. Along with these, air pollution also affect other physical organs due to breathing in polluted air. Our health is getting more worse every day. Many pollutants go into the air from natural sources. These pollutants include dust, gas, volcano ashes from forest fires, and many other materials. There are several reasons behind the continuous increasing in air pollution. The first reason is smoke coming from transport, which pollutes the atmosphere most. The second reason is increasing industrialization and smoke coming out at which pollutes the air. The third reason is that the growing population of humans and the increase in their needs, which is the main reason for pollution. Most air pollution made by humans today is because of transportation. All types of pollutions are connected to the environment which has affect us to reduce the level of air pollution. We should not cut trees but we should plant more trees. We should use pollution free, smoke free transport. Factories should be established at a distance of residential areas. Therefore, it is the responsibility of all of us that we adopt natural methods to play our roles and contributes to keeping the environment clean. Air pollution is highly affect quality of air, making it dangerous for the human. Several the highly polluted air can also affect the plant and vegetation of the region. Major causes of air pollution is earthomycin, man-made activities. Smog is a type of air pollutants that can cause irrigation in eyes, throat, damage to lungs, and even lead to asthma attacks. It has become important to take drastic steps to fight before it takes the face of monster reduction of burning fossil fuels. Use of electronic vehicles, reforestation, etc. can reduce air pollution to a major extent. Major causes of air pollution is earthomycin, man-made activities. Smog is a type of air pollutants that can irrigation in eyes, throat, damage to lungs, and even leads to asthma attacks. It has become important to take drastic steps to fight before it takes the face of monster. Reduction of burning fossil fuels, use of electronic vehicles, reforestation, etc. can reduce the air pollution to a major extent. Air can be polluted by many things, example including poisonous gas, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, carbon monoxide, and very small particulates. Smog is a harmful gases released by fires, industrialization, and thermal power plants can. Air pollution using coal and wood as fuel for fire causes a lot of air pollution. Petroleum produce less pollution per ton, but it causes a lot of pollution since a lot of it is burned globally. Air pollution may cause health problems. The Indian government has passed the Air Pollution Act on 1981, which clearly forbids industrious power plants and vehicles from releasing particulate matter. carbon monoxide, lead, or other toxic materials beyond a city level. Using public transport such as train or bus will greatly reduce the number of vehicles on the road and successively decrease the air pollution by switching to green energy and renewable energy sources like solar, wind, or hydroelectric. Common people can promptly contribute to reduce air pollution. To plant more trees is the simplest solution to this closed crease effect made towards prevention of air pollution. Very depending on the approach used in response to the adverse effect that are being experienced and the challenge that are focused prevention methods of air pollution. We have been too intimated. The first approach was intended comprehending air pollution, that emission greenhouse gases have to be reduced through the use of better energy sources like electricity. Electricity has been installed have also been regulated to filter their gases wasted from releasing to the atmosphere. How? Who? World Health Organization reported highly incident of death resulting from air pollution and it processed changes for handling air pollution as a public health emergency. The government through the Environmental Ministry has made use of the Central Pollution Control Board CBCB to monitor the air pollution is the country which aims of reducing. Conclusion. Nature is an assist given to us. It has given life to living beings and to pass on their assets to our offsprings as it is. We need to take good care of it if we need to our future generation to grow up in a healthy environment. Then we need to take care of steps now. We need to stop cutting the trees for the sake of construction of residential colonies or factories. We need to adopt public transport for long distance and bicycle for shorter distance so as to reduce the smoke and emissions that through by reducing air pollutions. Mother Nature need to be taken care of well for the following of our upcoming generations. Let's take a pledge now to respect the protect our environment. Thank you for all listening and for giving your precious time. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you once again.